this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with List Leverage. List Leverage is the best way for any business owner, whether you're online or offline, to make money because it leverages the efforts of others. Everybody starts the same way. Now, over the course of the weekend, I've earned some money from just by having this system set up. I've earned money from the sale of a Millionaire Mastermind, which is a good series which gives you the tips and tricks that you need to make money online by using social media. And also my Click Cash has kicked in. Now this is, as I've explained in previous videos, is where people are clicking on the links in the emails I'm sending out, but not necessarily wanting to buy anything. And this went up from $1.05 on Saturday morning. It's gone up to $1.65 now. And when I start sending my emails out again today, that will naturally go up with the amount of people that's on my list. I have a lead in today, and I've got 68 leads in total. And where I get my traffic from is from Traffic Authority. And if you watch the link, if you watch the next video, that will explain how you can earn commissions from Traffic Authority. But for now, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and to hit the bell button to get notified of every video that gets uploaded to this channel. But thanks very much for watching, and that's how you make money online with List Leverage.